Okay, if we're going to eliminate these, there isn't an easy option, but the easiest would be to get rid of the z's to me. And so the first one that I'm going to do is first and third, and I'm going to write the first equation down. And I'm going to subtract the third equation, so every sign is going to be opposite of what is there. Combine the terms, you have negative 3x plus 2y. The z's eliminated as expected, and here's your first equation. Okay, so the next ones we're going to eliminate is, I have to use the middle equation because I haven't used it yet. And so I'm going to do the first and these two. In order for the z to eliminate, I have to multiply everything up here by 3 and everything down here by 4. And so that's 9x plus 15y plus 12z equals 39. And the last one will be 20x plus 8y plus 12z equals negative 36. Except these aren't eliminating, so I have to subtract the entire equation, which changes everything in its sign, and we end up with negative 11x plus 7y, the z's go away, and it equals 75. And there's your other equation. So now we have two equations, and they're not super friendly either, so I'm going to multiply. I'm going to eliminate the y's this time, so I'd be multiplying this equation by 7 and this equation by 2. And so you would have negative 21x plus 14y equals 147. The second equation would be negative 22x plus 14y equals 150. And again, they're not eliminating, so I'm going to subtract the entire equation, which changes every sign. And you have x, the y's eliminate as expected, and it equals negative 3. So we have our first value, and I'm going to plug it in to the blue equation, and that would be negative 3x, but I know x is negative 3, plus 2y equals 21. So that's 9 plus 2y is 21. And subtract 9 from both sides. 2y is 12. Y equals 6. So I have two variables. So I'm going to go back to the top equation, and that's going to be 3 times x, which we know x is negative 3, plus 5 times y, which we know that's 6, plus 4z, and it equals negative 11. So that's negative 9 plus 30 plus 4z is negative 11. That would be 21 plus 4z. That's not 11. Okay, I made a mistake up here. This is not negative 11. That is 13. That would have messed me up. Okay, plus 4z equals 13. And you subtract 21 from both sides, and you have 4z equals negative 8. So z equals negative 2. And we have all of the variables, so I'm going to write it as an ordered triple. X is negative 3, y is 6, and z is negative 2.